And covering this crisis as it unfolded, our Grace Ditzler is live on Airway Heights now with how we got here. Grace?
Right, Nadine, there still are a lot of questions regarding what's going on with this water situation. So I wanted to break down for you a little bit some of those questions and concerns that people have.
How many got in the family, dear?
All day today, Airway Heights residents lined up to get their share of bottled water.
To get water, since the contaminated water's not good.
So how did we get here?
We tested 4 wells in total. 3 of the 4 came back with a detection of the chemical within the water system.
The Air Force found chemicals called PFOS and PFOA with levels above the EPA's lifetime health advisory levels.
The EPA advisory that's issued recommends that no one consumes water in excess of 70 parts per trillion over their lifetime. So this advisory is based on lifetime consumption. It's not based on one single incident, but over a period of 30 or more years.
This is one of the wells that was tested here in Airway Heights.
One of the sources we found that level was 17 times higher than the EPA threshold. And the other 2 sources, we found that threshold, the amount that we detected was somewhere in the ballpark of 12 times higher.
The city shut them down yesterday, and water from a different aquifer is now being used.
In the short term, it involves cutting off the sources and utilizing sources that don't have these chemicals within it. That's what we've done. We did that as soon as we found out there was a confirmation of the presence of the chemicals within it.
Many people are wondering how long it's been in their drinking water. The city of Airway Heights says right now it's hard to say.
We didn't test for it because it's not a regulated contaminant, so it wasn't until the Air Force tested for it that we knew that it was even there. It could be quite some time, we just don't know.
As for Carol, she says she thinks the city of Airway Heights is handling the situation the best they can.
I really appreciated how well they informed people, because when I walked out my door this morning, there was a note on the door.
And coming up tonight at 6, hear more about the city of Airway Heights' short and long-term plans to make sure these contaminants are out of the water for good. Reporting live in Airway Heights, Grace Ditzler, KXLY 4 News.
Thank you, Grace. Now, one school sits inside that contaminated area. Sunset Elementary brought in more than 2,000 bottles of water and blocked off drinking fountains on campus. This morning, they brought in clean water for the kitchen staff to prepare breakfast and lunch. Sack lunches were made today instead of the regular cafeteria fare, just in case. Many of you reaching out wanting to know what this means for your water. Important to know, most of us not affected by this. Most people in this region get water from the Spokane Valley Rathdrum Aquifer, which is not connected in any way to this contamination. The city of Spokane tested for these chemicals back in 2015. They found nothing. And today we also heard from the city of Medical Lake, even though they get water from the same aquifer as Airway Heights, their city wells are not affected, and test results returned yesterday showed no level of these chemicals. Stick with us for continuing coverage both online and on the air. We have more content at KXLY.com and on our Facebook page, including fact sheets about the chemicals and a map of the affected area. Also, what about the thousands of prisoners at Airway Heights Corrections Center? It's all live on KXLY.com. We'll be right back.